Listen, I am so excited and so fortunate to be sandwiched between two magnificent ladies. So I have De'Ara and Shemaine. And so I'll let each of you introduce yourself. So Shemaine, tell everybody who you are and what you're doing with Artists United Network.
So, Artists United Network, I think it was like 2008, kind of began, and we had a huge event, and it had filmmakers and photographers and models and musicians.
Oh, gracious.
It was a huge event. So that's kind of how it developed, like years ago. And then we're trying to make it into like a network.
Yeah.
So
Indeed.
everybody can showcase.
Well, you guys have done a wonderful job. Like, this has been utterly amazing. And what about you, De'Ara?
Well, I started with Artists United Network like 2020 or 2019.
19.
Oh my God.
3 years.
Man, okay.
Yeah.
Time flying. But I started with them doing STL Live. So I was the producer, and then now I kind of started doing little skits myself. So you'll be seeing me today in like a granny skit, like, playing bingo, you know.
Oh, okay. You know what? See, I'm gonna get all of y'all. Y'all come up in this interview, and I tell them, "Oh, what y'all got going on?" "Oh, nothing." Da 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 da. And then we started talking, and they just dropping everything. But you know what? That's what it's about. That's what It's Consulting Time is brought to you for. When you come and sit down with me, we're dropping joy, we're dropping jewels, and we're definitely dropping justice. And I love the fact that you guys have come together and cultivated something so magnificent. So, what do you foresee M.O.A.M. turning into?
So yeah, I hope we do it again next year. I know it's
we're doing it all the years.
Yes.
It's coming.
This is
it
number
is.
one.
It's a lot of work though.
Yeah.
A lot of hard work. You know.
Absolutely.
Down
Absolutely.
to the marketing, down to
Indeed.
trying to get people.
Well, you definitely have a partnership with us. We have just stamped. We will be back. You know what I'm saying? We see a lot in Atlanta, but to come out here to this St. Louis area and to be embraced the way you guys have embraced us,
I know.
we coming all the way back. Group hugs. We're coming all the way back. So let everybody know where they can find you on social media.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shemaine Barbati. I'm
Ooh, I
on
like that. That's exciting, girl.
Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Am I forgetting something? YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, YouTube.
Girls Night Out. Please check it out.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, we
all
have a
social
show called
media
Girls
for
Night
that.
Out.
The only
Yeah.
thing we don't have Girls Night Out is TikTok, but we're
Ooh.
on everything else.
That's
Oh,
coming
girls'
soon.
night out. Oh, I'm coming
Yeah.
to the girls' night
Oh
out.
yeah, you're more than welcome. As long as you want to get a pie in the face, you're good.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, I'm with it.
Oh,
I'm with all this
okay.
stuff. But wait a minute, it gotta be a coconut pie because I like coconut pie.
We'll make one for you.
Yes, and I'm gonna eat the hell out of this pie too.
Yes.
All right, and let everybody know how they can find you.
On all social media platforms besides Facebook is Being De'Ara, BeingDearra, and then on Facebook it's De'Ara Lachey Johnson, my whole entire name. So I gave y'all my government
y'all's
name.
interview here.
I love it.
No, I just want to add something. There's been some complaints about Keenan and his shirt off on Girls Night Out.
Oh no, we love Aki
I just want to
Soiree.
let all the viewers know we've addressed it, and you're probably going to see a lot more of it.
Ooh, yes. Shirts
Yes.
off. High five. Look, it's all about the rebels and revolutionaries. That's what we're doing
right.
in 2023. We are revolutionaries. A girls' night out. We got Shemaine. We got De'Ara. Artists United Network. Soldierbyblood. MJ's Hip Hop Connects. ID 104 Radio. It's Consulting Time. And Dawn P Live. We all going up. It's your girl Lily Mae, and we're out.
Yeah.